Are you tired of printing, scanning, and mailing documents just to get a signature? What if you could sign, send, and approve important paperwork from anywhere on any device in just seconds? So meet your new productivity superpower, Xodo Sign. Formerly known as Eversign, Xodo Sign is a powerful, secure electronic signature platform designed for individuals, businesses, and enterprises who want to go paperless and streamline their document workflows. So, whether you're closing deals, onboarding employees, or handling legal agreements, Xodo Sign makes it effortless to manage signatures and approvals online. With Xodo Sign, you can securely sign documents from any device, be it PC, tablet, or mobile, without ever touching a printer. You can automate your signature processes, set up reusable templates, and integrate seamlessly with your favorite apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Gmail. Xodo Sign uses enterprise-grade 256-bit SSL encryption, so your data and signatures are always protected. That means faster turnaround times, less paperwork, and more time to focus on what matters most. In this beginner's tutorial, I'll walk you through setting up your Sodo signed account, uploading your first document, adding signature fields, and sending it out for signatures. Plus, I'll also share tips on using templates, in-person signing, and integrating Sodo Sign with your everyday apps to supercharge your workflow. First things first, head over to eversign.com. Now you should be able to see this. So as you can see, you can do a lot of things with this. But what you can do is you can click onto this Start Using Xodo Sign for free. In this, they will ask you to sign up. So just input right here your email address and password that you would like to use. Once you have inputted your details, click on Proceed. Then from in there, just input your next details, which is your first name, last name, company name, website URL, as well as tax ID or VAT number. Once you have inputted your details, click on Proceed, and then you can choose in here a plan. However, since we want to use it for free right now, let's click on the Skip for now. You can just input right here your business name, and then you can input right here the actual workspace URL, and you can customize it, and it also depends on what your business name is. Click on the Start Using, and after that, this will redirect you to your dashboard, and you should be able to see in here your actual Eversign dashboard. So this is what it looks like once you have successfully signed up. So from in there, you can see that we have zero documents yet, and we have in here a pre-built signature based on their actual name. We have signature and we also have initials. So for this case, let's head over and then create a document. You can click on the this plus icon just beside the documents option. Then from in there, you can create this. So for example, you can choose in here others only, in others, and some of these options. I have in here which is me as a signer, and we have in here another signer. Let's input right here their name. Input right here the signer's email, and you can also use the signer authentication. You can add signer or CC based on this. Now just input the document title as well as the message for that, and you can also enable document settings such as enabling auto reminders as well as requiring all signers to sign the complete document. You can also choose in here an expiration for the document. I'll choose in here 6 months, and from in there it should be able to be added. Now in here on the actual document, you can add in here the file that you want signing. So you can choose from Dropbox as well as from Box, also from OneDrive and Google Drive. You can also upload file from your actual computer. For this case, you can also add or import an existing templates if you have it available. So I'll just head over and then import from my computer. Let me head over and upload in here this file. Just drag it right here into this drop files, and it should be able to be uploaded into this part. So as you can see, it's now been uploaded. So let's head over and click on the disk prepare option. You can Also upload at least one document file in order to use this. Make sure to also input the signer's email right here. Click on prepare. So from in there, you should be able to see the document already added right here. So in here, you can also add fields like signature, date signed, text, full name, as well as the likes. So we have in here already this pre-made document. And in here, we can just input right here a signature field. So let's click on this signature and then just drag and drop it right here. You can just input that part. And in here, you can add a save signature or also a type signature, a draw signature, or upload signature option. So I'll just close this since this will be actually a signature for the actual receiver who will get this. Now in here, you can also add another field. Like for example, we only have in here my signature part, and let's input in here another signature field for the receiver. For this case, let's drag and drop signature again, and then let's close it. And then for this case, let's input right here the full name. So this will be a field again for the receiver. You can also just edit it already in order to input the receiver's full name in order to save time for them. So just put it just like this. And you can input right here a text. Let's put in here receiver. And you can also input right here a date based on when was this signed. Let's click or drag and drop in here the date signed. And let's also drag and drop right here a date signed as well. Now this should be able to show up like this. So for example, you can head over and sign this by clicking onto the actual signature field that has been added. Then just input right here the signature that you want and click on sign. And as you can see, this will be added. So let's head over and sign our name. Let's input as well the date signed. You can just head over and click on it and then input when was it signed. Once you're done with that, you can head over and save your draft, or you can also just send it already to the receiver. If you want to send it to your receiver, you can also input right here the actual draft option. You can enter in here this particular page, open the document right here, and then send it. Let's click on this continue option, then click onto this quick send, and click onto this send option. Now what this will do is this will send this particular document. As you can see, I've already signed, so we're just waiting for this receiver to actually sign the document. Onto your dashboard, you can see in here the actual analytics for this. So as you can see, we have in here 0 documents awaiting my signature. We have 1 document sent, and we're just waiting for others to actually sign the contract that we have actually made. So as you can see, this contract is in process. So thank you so much for watching our Xodo Sign beginner tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use a simpler way to sign documents. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on digital productivity tools. So, what feature of Xodo Sign are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.